Hello everyone, Manard Warren here from Manard Warren and Associates. This video is on something that is absolutely critical for every one of us. Something that we've all heard about and a lot of us do all the time. Goal setting, G-O-A-L with my southern accent. Let me spell it out, G-O-A-L setting. Goal setting doesn't sound that romantic. It doesn't sound that sexy. But we all know it's so crucial. Let me share some data with you. We did a study about a year ago with a company, and what we found is that their top producers had 20% more ambitious and focused goals than folks that were currently struggling at that company. Think about that for a second. Because of clear, ambitious goals, that was the determining factor why folks either excelled and were blowing out their numbers and having huge levels of success compared to others in that same organization who couldn't connect the dots and become top producers. So let's get inside of goals just for a few minutes. Goals have three components. I don't know if you were aware of that. A lot of us, we set goals, we feel comfortable sharing them with our buddies, with our close confidants. We say, here's what I want to do this year, here's what I need to do this year, but we don't understand that there are three components to a good goal. The first one is the target. That's what you want to accomplish, okay? It starts there. Step number 2 is a believable and doable plan of attack. A lot of us call that an action plan. A lot of us call that a strategy. So the first two steps. First step is the target. This is what I want to accomplish. Step number 2, what's my believable, doable plan of action, plan of attack, strategy? Step number 3 is, do I have the discipline to pursue doing my plan of attack? 3 steps: the target, the strategy, and the pursuit. So those are the 3 components of a really good, fully functioning goal, and that will take you to the top. Now, at the time that we're recording this video, it's mid-January 2026. What a perfect time to set goals for the year. And I'll say this to conclude this video. Why don't we set our sights this year on having the best year we've ever had? I mean, why not? Why settle for something less? Why settle for mediocrity? Why don't we set our sights on blowing it out of the water this year and showing our true, awesome self? Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.